Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Heathrow. I'm a handyman and a carpenter. Today we're going to keep going on this plaster removal. I recently just made the decision to remove all the plaster within the house. It's going to make everything a lot easier moving forward for this remodel. So that's what I'm going to be working on for the next couple days. I started in this bedroom over here. I'm going to keep going in this bathroom and get all of the plaster down. You can see I got it off over here already, and we're going to be doing the rest of it as well. Decided to leave the hallway intact. This trim in here is a little bit intricate. It's all kind of tightly packed. I'm just gonna keep it as it is. We'll paint it, make it nice, maybe skim coat it too so it's smooth like the rest of the house. Then I'll be coming into this room, doing this room, and I'm just gonna work my way around the house. Got a lot of work ahead of me, so let's get started. Got this north side of the house all demoed with plaster and drywall. This wing was actually all drywall, which kind of leads me to believe it was done obviously at a later time than the rest of the house. This little sort of back area of the house we think was probably an addition or like a covered porch that was turned into living space after the original house was done. I got this side of the house demoed. I'm gonna keep going and see if I can bust out the living room. And then once that's done, pretty much only the kitchen is left. Going really fast. The cleanup is gonna be probably a good day, maybe half day or a day. I'm still really happy we made the decision to remove all this plaster. It's gonna make everything else go a lot smoother. Now that this is done, I'm gonna head into the living room and get started there. Won't need that guy for a while. It's just kind of sitting around right now in the way. And I don't think that that vacuum is going to handle this mess. Hey everybody, today we're going to be adding more to this pile. We've got quite a bit more work to do inside, but I've got the rest of this kitchen to demo, the rest of these walls in here. After I get all this stuff taken care of and down on the ground, then I'm going to start cleaning this up. This house is an incredible mess at the moment, but the cleanup should go pretty fast. I'm going to get right into it and start demoing this kitchen. I've got the kitchen demo underway here, and I found some slow kettle style creamy broccoli cheddar bisque. Maybe I'll have that for lunch today. Not. has come where I need to remove this built-in cabinet. Super nice while it was here. Thought about keeping it for a while, but decided this wall needs to be opened up for more space. Sad to see it go, but it did have to go. And that about does it for this episode of my Craftsman remodel. Went ahead and demoed the entire kitchen. Things are really opening up now. And as you can see, this place is a complete mess. I'm gonna need to get this cleaned up and into a dumpster so we can start moving on to the fun things like framing, electrical, and plumbing. So after I clean this up, we can start framing some walls. This opening will get framed in so that room can have a little more privacy. These two openings over here, that'll get closed up. This will get closed up. And we still really need to finalize this whole master wing. So we're thinking a master bathroom on this wall, which is convenient because it's mirrored from the other bathroom. Make the plumbing and everything pretty easy. And potentially vaulting this ceiling still needs to happen as well. So that's all stuff that I need to plan and get figured out. But that's about it for me for this episode. If you like this video, please hit that like button. It really helps me grow my channel. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.